Ladies, do you ever think your sister locks are just too short to style? Well, don't. My lovely model and client, Pamela, has been rocking her sister locks since January of 2016. She started with 3 inches and wanted a change from the freestyle look. A straw set would give her the change she is looking for. After moisturizing her sister locks with moisture treatment water mix and Sisterlocks setting lotion, her hair is set on straws. For a step-by-step tutorial on how to complete a straw set, please watch a straw set on Sisterlocks in between retightenings video for instruction. After hair is set, let dry completely. Now that the sister locks are completely dried, gently remove straws. These spiral curls can be worn for several days before separating. You do not need to put oil on hands and fingers to separate your sister locks. To preserve your straw set on short sister locks, try using a stocking cap. This helps to keep the curls securely in place during bedtime. But in the morning, gently remove that cap, shake loose your curls, and finger comb, putting the life back into your sister locks. If you would like to see a video on preserving your curl set on sister locks during bedtime, please comment below. So if you are looking to rock a cute and curly pixie hairstyle on your short sister locks, try doing a straw set. Thank you for watching. This is Natalie Tullich, Certified Sisterlocks Consultant and Brand Ambassador. And remember, always protect your investment.